Hi guys, Chester.
Ibang Chelsea! Ibang Chelsea! Chelsea ba galaw to? No? Ate Elsie?
Nandiyan siya?
Hello!
Hello po. Or joke.
Akay ko.
Okay po.
Diyan na, mukha ka na ako.
So, dito mo siya tumayo.
Ayaw nga. Wala na. Yung wala spray. Pabay mo, bakla. Yung hairspray ah. Dito nakatara ka na ako na. Siyempre. Nakapajama lang siya.
Chelsea manalo ka ng Chelsea manalo kanina pa.
Tommy na. Tommy na minute.
Ayun na. Alaga ko naka-hair ba? Kabog, inerban mo lang kami. Kabog, pinolo. Chelsea! Ayan na! Pwede lang po sana. Confident! Ganda mo! Tamban! Tama na yan kami.
Chelsea, pasabot.
Dak, Chelsea! Dito na! Si Chelsea na naman. Ang ganda niya. Baka mukha. Ito, tingin ka sa. Pwede lang po.
Chelsea!
Tara-tara na pinaka ko. Sa glitters! Glitters! Jusa! 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 Alarma! Lama mo, Chelsea! Bang! Pineapple! Pineapple! Dinedban lang kami! Dinedban lang!
Wala tayong ano ilaw.
Ako hindi. Siya hindi. Ay, touchy-touchy. Touchy.
Very nice.
Naka-naka! Chelsea! 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 Ayan! Barbie! Isa pa! Chelsea! Isa pa ulit! Isa pa ulit! Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa! Laban! Laban!
Chelsea, lapit ka dito sa amin.
Yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Bakit hindi natin pagsusta?
Thank you so much guys for being here tonight. Grabe. Madaling araw pero andito kayo.
Yes, mabait siya, mabait.
Chelsea. Chelsea. Ano ba? Sino? Chelsea, as a second timer in international stage, what do you think is your edge over your other Cosmo sister?
As I am more experienced and as what I have mentioned before, I will definitely use the experiences that I had, especially back in 2022. So this time around, I am more prepared as you can see. And I think I will just face this competition with so much light and love in my heart.
So I heard may mga nauna ng mga correspondent na Pinoy doon sa Vietnam to support you. So how do you feel about it?
Of course, I'm very, very happy. Actually, right now, my heart is really over the moon. I have never expected na ganito kadami magpupunta ngayon. And thank you so much. Sobrang ko talaga na-appreciate. And of course, to my fellow Filipinos who are already there to support me. Thank you. And see you later.
Have you done any parang mga pahabol na training bago ka umalis?
Training, yes po. And also mga photo shoot.
Yeah, okay.
Mga last minute. So,
Okay.
abangan natin.
Chelsea, you look so gorgeous with your outfit.
Thank you.
Tell us more about it.
Well, as you can see, it's really a modern Filipiniana. You know, we did a lot of twists with my outfit for tonight, and it's kind of fun and very unique, right? And of course, this is styled by Sir Ench, and my designer is from Bacolod City, Miss Rafael. So it's
Okay.
really matches with my personality.
Yes, marami nag-aabang ng pasabog outfit mo.
Yeah, so we really
Gano'n
chose
si
this
Chelsea
one. I am much more prepared talaga, like my past international pageant. So this time, I am again, I don't want to be emotional, but again, I will wave our flag in Vietnam with so much love, pride, and confidence.
How excited are you for this competition?
I am very excited, even though it's my 4th time. I'm still excited. I really wanna, explore more, discover more about Vietnam, and excited to meet all of my fellow delegates. I think we are 80 plus, if I'm not mistaken. So sobrang dami for the 2nd edition for this year's Miss Cosmo. So yeah, I'm just very excited, very happy, and I don't want to be pressured po talaga. Kasi if I'll be pressured, then I think all of the trainings that we did, baka mabubulang.
So, patasin that feel mo, no? This time, and of course kami din, no? So, what's the reason behind that?
I think all of you guys, kasi confident ako because you guys are putting so much love and care for me. Nakikita ko kasi na confident din kayo sa akin eh. So parang nag-relate lang talaga.
Chelsea, meron bang advice sa'yo ang ating first Miss Cosmo Philippines na kayo na Miss Universe 2025
Yes,
third runner kasi at sa
wow. We actually talked pa before, and she did mention a lot of things when it comes to Miss Cosmo, kung paano ang galawan sa Miss Cosmo. So, yes, we did. Pero like specific advice, meron. And may mga secret din kami. Sa amin na lang yun. But yeah, she actually advised me a lot and gave me a lot of tips this year.
How long the pageant will run?
I am not sure, but the coronation is set for December 20.
Wow,
Yeah, so mahaba rin. Almost 1 month.
Oh.
1 month tayo sa Vietnam.
Wow.
At sana doon rin tayo magpasko.
Yeah.
Claim that victory.
Yeah.
Sinayan ba namin ang signature red lipstick
Oh my
mo?
God, abangan!
Ano daw shade mo?
Oh! Secret. Pero thank you. Yes, for sure. There's going to be a lot of votings on Miss Cosmo, and just follow my social media accounts for more updates about it.
Chelsea, will you be changing outfits when you arrive?
Yes, definitely.
Wow, and it is inspired by. Can you give us a hint of?
Okay, just in. Of course, it is inspired with the Vietnamese people.
Wow.
Chelsea, what is your favorite Vietnamese food?
Vietnamese food, a lot. Apart from banh mi, my most favorite talaga is pho.
Okay.
Dala ka mo sa lubong mansion.
Of course, I did. I have.
Have you
And
learned
excited
some,
to
have you
give
learned
it.
some basic Vietnamese?
Just a basic, like Xin Chào, and of course, come on.
Okay.
Chelsea, about your national costume, can you give us some clues?
Oh, I already mentioned about my national costume, but again, it is really colorful and unique at the same time. And of course, it is inspired with my province, Saltan Cagayan.
So how is Chelsea now that the competition is fast approaching?
Grabe no, ang bilis. Parang kaka-corona lang namin nung May.
Oo.
Tapos ngayon,
How time flies.
grabe. Sobrang bilis na ng panahon. But my heart is very happy right now.
What is your mindset?
My mindset, I'll just focus on the competition and definitely not listen to a lot of negativities and noises around me. So again, I'll just focus, be relaxed at the same time. But of course, I'll give my best. You know me, guys, so well. If I'm off the stage, I'm just like this, very funny, jolly. But once I'm on stage, I transform and I give my best naman.
Okay, aside for the Miss Cosmo crown, what would you like to gain in your journey in Vietnam?
I really want to gain a lot of knowledge, especially with the experiences that my fellow delegates have. And I think I will definitely use it in the future, because with the experiences that I'll gain in Vietnam and of course the experiences that my fellow delegates also have, I think I will definitely grow more and learn more from that.
Who do you want to be roommates with? Kasi nakilala mo na
Hello,
sila in
I
advance.
don't want to be biased, but I have so many friends na, especially nung August na nag-visit ako in Vietnam. I am very close with Miss Virgin Islands, US Virgin Islands, and of course Miss Thailand, Miss Myanmar, and also a lot more. But I just hope and wish that my roommate is very kind, generous.
Recently nag-visit si the reigning Miss Cosmo.
Yeah.
Were you able to speak with her?
Of course, yes. I'm very happy because they're very generous, even though that Vietnam also experienced a lot of floodings recently, like the Philippines. But, they still have a heart to give back to the Philippines and help us a lot. And of course, they chose Angat Buhay Foundation.
Your message to the Filipino fans.
Of course, maraming salamat ngayon pa lang po. Sobrang masaya na po ang puso ko. Again, thank you so much for all the love and support that you are giving me. Ilalaban ko po kayo.
Yes! Sample intro na.
Can you give us your pasarela and then your
Hindi ako
intro?
pumiyok.
Pasarela and intro. Medyo habaan natin. Kuya, wag ka tatayo ha. Okay, ready? Sino pa ba yun? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Intro.
Chelsea Fernandez, Miss Cosmo, Philippines.
Okay. Photo, Chelsea photo. Photo. Okay, ready? Okay. Wait lang.
Why? Ano yung tanong mo? Fresh pa.
Wait lang po sa crowd. Wait lang po. Go, go, go.
Okay, dito.
A606 bound for international boarding group B3. Requesting all international passengers on flight A606, please board as of now in gate 3. All parties.
Sino ba nila?
Ganda oh. Ay, init. Super. Sabay na kayo.
Ano na?
Bye, Ma. Bye, Mama Drew.
Baguhan lang tayo, walang mo.
Good luck.
Kaya na naman yung edge. Ayaw ko. Hey, alis na tayo, May! Litag na, oh! Ay, nagitag na, May, oh!
Boarding na.
Pag di binigay sa'yo, hablutin mo. Bro.
Chelsea! Chelsea!
Go, Chelsea! Chelsea, Chelsea! Bye, Chelsea! Good luck! Mia, i-cloud mo! Bring the crowd, so yung
Okay, sige. Send ko email.
Kuya Christian.